That's why I'm talking about they don't even give breastfeeding. Mama make us sneak bed. Because what for the Berlin? No one says teacher, nutrition that she deserves. Nutrition that he deserves. You're gonna suffer because of your selfishness. Because of they are running short of our nutrition. Because of what? I'm closing with this. I'm sorry, I'm closing with this. Nazala, yes, the generation in Kwatage. Nabasala Bantuana, Ababa Kudisi, Baliga Boko, Bakalena. Let me tell you, secret. I'm not there. I don't say wrong. Yes, they help, but by writing healthy I'm a fumeni sebatala. Koselema begele, when you want to begele, Ukoko seka kukile ama dramatic yonke lento iamnesia dementia shangene when uthatha abantwana labaphosa that you have your child ebhele uyenzani. That's why bafanga ama depression labokhokho bafanga yonke lento ngoba why ulethe umthwalo phezwabo kosele sibancede mama we cut them off. It's a shameful thing umama nangakhona ukuba proud ukuthi bama abantwana ngibakhulisile.